Good morning, Tokyo. So, it's day 2 of this little Tokyo weekend that I'm having with my good friend Amelia. And today we're going to head to the Harry Potter Square, go to the Harry Potter Cafe, if I'm not mistaken. Because, Harry Potter, I must do that. Yep. And then after that, we're going to go and watch a No performance. No is a traditional Japanese performing art. And I'm really excited to see that because I know about it. I know a little bit about it. And I really want to see it in Japan. It makes sense that we're in Japan. I have to go and see it. So yes, let's go and do that. I don't know what else we're going to do, but you'll find out with me. So let's do this. I found the Hogwarts Express. Look at it. Isn't it such a cool train? That's a lovely train, the Hogwarts Express. It's absolutely lovely. So we're here at the Harry Potter Cafe, and it turns out we need to make reservation online. But we didn't do that, did we?
No.
And it turns out it's fully booked until... Wait, go back. It's booked until water, fire and wood. So I guess we're not going to the Harry Potter Cafe. Oh no. So the performance is all done now. We're outside the main building, and honestly, that was one of the most emotional experiences I think I've ever felt. It was beautiful, it was artistic, as of course it would be, but there's such a technical grace about No and the tradition of No that is just unspeakable. You got to Google it and YouTube it, find ways to find out more about No, because once you're here, you need to watch one of these performances. It is so graceful, it is so elegant, it is so masterful and technical. It's everything that you expect it to be. So do yourself a favor, go research a little bit about No, find out a little bit more about it, and when you're in Tokyo, go catch a No performance because you will not regret it. But now, on to whatever the next thing is. I have no idea what's going on next, but we'll find out together, shall we? Let's go. So in the midst of this crowd, we are now in Harajuku area, which is very, very busy and very loud.
The famous Takashita, if I'm not mistaken. Takashita Street, there we go. Takeshita.
Takashita Street. With loud construction noises, it's sensory overload. We are now in line for a crepe. I don't know what this crepe is, but Amelia is very excited about this crepe.
Marian crepe.
My mic's here, you know.
Marian crepe.
There you go. So pray tell, what is this?
173번 Queen Marion.
What's in it?
There's a vanilla ice cream, there's banana, there's strawberry, there's whipped cream, 100,000, and a slice of cheesecake. And caramel sauce.
Yummy. So we have entered this big shopping mall called La Forêt. It is very intense. There's a lot of colorful stuff. There's a lot of fashion stuff. I mean, not my thing, but Amelia's thing, because she wants to go and see the Sailor Moon store, which I can't really take videos of because it's Sailor Moon. They restrict it. But yeah, if you're into clothes and fashion, this is definitely a place to go. But there's a lot of people. I'm a bit overwhelmed by all the color and the lights and everything. It's the Samsung store. That is all. So it turns out that Sailor Moon store had a very long line, so we escaped that and decided to come to this place, which is an Alice in Wonderland themed shop. Now I couldn't take a lot of videos inside, but I'll put some pictures hopefully on the screen. If it's not there, then I couldn't find any. But you enter through that tiny door and it's a whole experience inside. Like, it's for any Alice in Wonderland fans, this is the place for you. But yes, I don't know where we're off to next. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know. I'm just letting Amelia take me wherever. So let's go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So after all the walking, we have made it to a tiny little sort of ramen place called sorry, what was it?
No, something abura soba.
Ganso Abasoba. Yes, with that. And the only reason why we walked into this place is because I looked at it and saw cheese.
Parmesan cheese, and he's like, that's it.
That's my kind of udon or soba.
Oil and Parmesan cheese.
That's my kind of noodle bar.
Soon after.
And I am back in the hotel room after that succulent meal. Honestly, that was really good. I would liken it to like a Japanese carbonara in a sense, because it had the egg yolk, it had the cheese. It was like traditional Japanese carbonara, if that even makes sense. But yes, that was another day down. That was day 2 in Tokyo. Another eventful day, as you saw. Went to the Harry Potter area, went to see a no theater performance, which again, like I said, it was fantastic. You have to go and see one when you get here. And to cap it all off, went to an awesome ramen place. As you saw, again, honestly, I can't stop talking about this ramen place. It was amazing. One thing I am proud of myself is I didn't spend a lot today. I made sure I didn't spend too much, although I did get something from that Harry Potter store, and it was this, a platform 9 3/4 handkerchief cloth of sorts with a little, you know, as you can see, a little Hogwarts Express in the corner, because, you know, Hogwarts Express, the most magical magical train on earth. There you go. So yes, that will call it to a close for day 2. We've got another day tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to Akihabara because Amelia wants to take me to a maid cafe. Not to say that I'm not excited to go to a maid cafe, but I just don't know how to feel about maids serving me in these cutesy outfits. It's not really my thing, but you know, I'm in Japan. I might as well experience it. There's a first time for everything. So yes, I'm gonna have a good shower and get to rest, and then we'll start day 3, ready and refreshed to go. Yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.